Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here, hope you're well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go and look deeper into the pages that we searched for last time and the ones that we picked out as relatively good sources for Robert Noyce for the microchip. Actually, I'm jumping ahead of myself here because Robert Noyce is who I've actually found, which is here. This says that Robert Noyce files a patent for the microchip, officially stating the invention of the microchip. Okay, so who is Robert Noyce? So I'm going to go and find out a little bit further about Robert Noyce. And what I actually want to do is I want to go and find Robert Noyce with a search that has got Robert Noyce in this order. Now, if I do a search for Robert Noyce, obviously I will find him on that page. However, inside this search, I have 1.2 million results from Robert Noyce. And this is because Google will search for Robert Noyce, and anything with Noyce and Robert in there, or thereabouts, depending on the availability. So what I want to tell Google is I only want Robert Noyce in this order. I only want the results of Robert Noyce, the person. And so there may be other Robert Noyces in the world, no doubt. And the only ones I'm really interested in are the ones with the microchip. So I just say Robert Noyce plus microchip. And now I've got 42,000 results, which is a lot more manageable than the 1.2 million I had a moment ago. So I could add one more in there and put invention. What I need to do, you can see that I need a space between that word invention. So now I've got 33,000 results, which is far more manageable, and it means that I can see what's going on. I've got a better search result. I've got some Wikipedia pages which I had before, and now I can put these to test invention of the microchip. I've got Britannica again, so I know that that's been pulled up again. I've got some images for Robert Noyce himself, which means I can use this inside my my search. So I can go and see what's going on with Robert Noyce's imagery in here. So there he is as the timeline, and I can give my presentation now some flavor as to what's happening with my search. If I want to go further, I probably want to go and be as technical as I was before with my searches, because I found out that the integrated circuit, remember this is going to be a phrase now, so I want my speech marks in there, and it means that now I've got something that is all linking together. Integrated circuit, the history of the integrated circuit, and this is exactly what I want. Now, one last thing. If I want to be even more specific as to what it is that I want, I can tell Google to actually look for websites with this in the title. So it's going to have Robert Noyce as his name, integrated circuit also in the title of the website. Now, this is the first time I've done this search, so let's see if this is going to work. I've got 85 results. I've got some extra pictures underneath here that is going to be showing me integrated circuits, maybe with a timeline, a brief history of computers, and I need to just go and break that down. There we go, that's more like it because I missed off a space. But I can see that I've got the pictures inside here, and I've also got a biography of his inventions, this is much more manageable for my search. Right, good luck, your turn.